Good day traders, it's Jason from Sureshotfx. Today I have an exciting forecast for you as we focus on the Euro USD pair and look ahead to the upcoming week. But first, let's quickly recap what happened last week to get a better idea of what's coming next in the Euro USD market. So last week, Monday, we saw that market started the week with a beautiful pullback as we forecasted. It reached 50% retracement level, which we showed you in the last USD analysis video. It reached out 50% fib level, also mitigated this inefficient pricing here. Then it beautifully continued creating higher highs and higher lows. As we can see here, market is creating continuously higher highs and higher lows. If we look at 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that market is heavily bullish on higher time frame, as well as it didn't react from this order block or didn't and already mitigated this inefficient pricing. And we also think that market is probably approaching to take out this liquidity point on daily swing high. Now let's shift our focus to current market structure for this upcoming week. If we look at current market structure of Euro-USD pair, we can clearly see that market is still bullish on higher time frames as daily and 4-hour. And looking at the hourly time frame, we can see that market is still heavily bullish on hourly time frame, and it also has an imbalance at this point. Now, as this is Monday, we are expecting a pullback so that it can mitigate this imbalance, as well as we are also expecting a pullback to the 50% level as well, as we have marked here. Now, what kind of price action we are expecting here? Let's say market pullback to this imbalanced zone. Then, after reaching at this imbalanced zone and mitigating this inefficient pricing and pulling back to this 50% level, it may also react from this hourly order block as well. Let's say it reached 50% fib level, then it created market structure like this. After creating a market structure like this, we have to identify a change of character in lower time frame, or it may occur on high time frame as well, like hourly. After spotting and change of character, we have to mark which zone has caused this market shift. After identifying that market shift point or the demand zone, we can clearly enter on this pair, this stop loss below this swing structure, and targeting this high or even this daily liquidity swing old high. But we also have to be very cautious because market may reverse from this point as well. As we can see, there is a change of character here as well. But as long as this zone, this swing low, is holding up, as long as 4-hour swing low is holding up, we can be still looking for long setups for Euro-USD pair. If market breaks this, let's say if market breaks this swing low point, then our bias will be bearish and we'll be looking for short setups in this upcoming week, which is very unlikely. So let's see how the market plays out for Euro-USD in this upcoming week. So let's recap Euro-USD forecast once again. Euro-USD is potentially bullish this week as well. Last week market played out according to our bullish forecast, which was based on high time frame bullish market flow. And for this week, we will follow current market flow, wait for a pullback at the beginning of the week, which is Monday today. And we also have to keep in mind that today is the bank holiday for USD, for USD pairs mainly. And then after a pullback, after a pullback is spotted, then we'll look for intraday long setups after mitigating this imbalance, inefficient pricing and pulling back to at least this 50% fib level. Now also we have to keep in mind that market may do something like this as well. It might not give us a proper pullback, but we always have to react to what the market is offering us. Based on current market technical standpoint, I believe that USD will continue its upward trend this week as well. Let's see how the market unfolds this week. It's always important to consider multiple viewpoints when making trading decisions. Remember, forex trading carries risk, so staying informed and managing your risk wisely is a key. Let's wrap up our Eurusd forecast for the upcoming week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshotfx for more valuable forex insights. Wishing you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I will catch you in the next video.